So this is what I get. The pan and plus 1, 2 and the tea French press, and its total is $101. Oh, this is kitchen stuff, some little cute pizza cutter here. And so cute.
Family benefits and start creating your dream home without breaking the bank today.
It's just $3 or $8. I don't know. 10 hangers is like only $2, or you want a wooden is $8 and let's see, garden house. These lights. The frames are small frames, $4, and the big ones like $5. And the size, for example.
Whether your home is already your passion or you're just starting out and need a helping hand. As an IKEA family.
Yes, they have the plants. This is the real plants actually. I think this side is not real. So this is whatever you didn't plant in first or second floor. So you can come here and get from here like furniture or another stuff, which is just for the show. And they exactly on the stickers they have the sign, the numbers where you can find that. Yeah, that's it. This is my bag. Now let's go for Chicala.